Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Mantra. And today is a special day on the day of 15th May 2024 at 8 p.m. Today this program and the session of educational discussion. I invite Miss Suparna Garg. She is the student of competitive examination and also passed the +2 in previous year, and she is now running and going on the specialist of biosector, and her goal is become a doctor. Suparna belong to the Bhagalpur district, and she is very laborious and very smart student. So first I request to my audience to a lot of heavy clap to welcome Miss Suparna Garg, and I request to Suparna to please start your speech and her knowledge to share to the topic of plant and human life. Welcome, Suparna.
Thank you, Mr. Roop Kumar, for this auspicious time that you have given me. And I would like to, once again, I would just like to introduce myself. I'm Suparna Garg, and I'm just very pleased to be a part of this. And my topic, and as you all know, that my topic is plants and how it is connected to human life. And I would like, and I just, as you all know, that plant is we can say that plant is our primary mother, because she or we are not going to that, that feed all of us with equal love and support, and they don't give and they don't take anything from us. It's not like, I am giving you that, you will give me that. They don't want anything from us, but it's I want to say that it's very important, because recently I was studying ecology and I get to know that how we are affecting the plant and the earth, and it's like we have to pay attention to that, because it's a very high time for that. And in my book there is written ki people think what will happen if one species will not be on earth, but look, you are also one of the species, and what will happen if you are not on the earth? So don't take yourself too much seriously, and don't take others very lightly, or other species very lightly. So I was just want to do a very little request out there, and now we will proceed with our topic, that is plant and the human life. And plant is our primary producers. They give us everything. They give us food, they give us shade, oxygen and everything, because we know that after algae they are the most who recycles O2, and we will not go into the whole process how it will do it and everything, because it's another topic. But because how it is affecting our life, or in a good way, it's not like in a bad way, like we are affecting them in a very, very bad way, and we all know that how. And it's the population and everything. You just can't give that, the population and everything. You have to go for sustainable development, which I have studied from this platform. And I think you should all just don't study something, just study, and you have to apply it for yourself. Like if I get a knowledge or anything, I have to apply it on myself. Then I will say, please, you also do it. You also do it, whatever. But now we'll go. I'm just taking lots of time in that, because I really think it's a very, very serious problem, because I've studied it recently. So it's just going in my mind. So that's why it's every 5 minutes come out. Like plants, as we all know that plants is primary producer. It is the only how it convert sunlight energy into organic matter and give us food and everything. We all know that how it is going, how what they do. Sorry for he, what they do for us. But it's like our primary duty as a as the people of earth to give them back. They don't want you to give us like money de do ya kuch bhi aisa. They are not saying that. And plant is very essential, and it's like our mother. Because if it's just think a circumstance when, just for a hypothetical, that there is no plants. Look, there is no plant. How will we survive? How will we get oxygen? How will there will be rainfall, soil erosion, lots of problem. Deforestation will cause a lot of problem to us. And the problem is that everyone talk about this oh, you should do that, but no one is going and doing on ground. I'm just say oh, you also doing that, but I'm just trying to do. I just stop investing. I just stop wasting water and everything. And you know what I can do it. What I can do, I'm doing. And for the sake of how it is, how plant and human life is related, it's just like we are totally 100% dependent on them. We can see that they are not dependent on us. We are more dependent on them. And for the a very important thing, I would like you to know that that our religious sentiments, you know what, our religious sentiments conserve a lot of biodiversity, because we worship people plant, tulsi plant, and every बहुत सारे plants. So what they are doing, they are giving us a sentiment like, oh, they are like our gods and everything. So we are more sympathetic to them. A kind of fear, we can say kind of fear, but I will say it in a sympathetic way. So you have to think that every plant or every plant species is like our god. Because in real life, whom we can see, who are giving us without any selfishness, they are plants. Sun, you know what, the sun is indirectly, because sun takes light from plant takes light from sun and convert it into a chemical, all that process. I am not even going into that depth of the anatomy and everything. I just want to say you that like it's very important. It's a very high time we should really focus on how we can conserve our biodiversity. And thank you.